Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this problem? 3 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power x plus 2. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. From here we can write 3 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power x times 2 to 7 to the power 2. According to law, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n, or here we can divide it 7 to the power x both sides, so we can write 3 to the power x divided by 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power x divided by 7 to the power x times 7 square. This 7 to the power x cancel out this 7 to the power x, so we can be written 3 to the power x by 7 to the power x is equal to 7 square. Here we can apply this rule. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m. So we can write 3 over 7 to the power x is equal to 7 square. Now we are taking log both sides. We can written log 3 over 7 to the power x is equal to log 7 square. Here we can apply this rule. Log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So we can be written x log 3 over 7 is equal to 2 log 7. Now divided both sides log 3 over 7, we can write x log 3 over 7 over log 3 over 7 is equal to 2 log 7 over log 3 divided by 7. This log cancel out this log, so x is equal to 2 log 7 over log 3 minus log 7, because log a by b is equal to log b minus log a. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So this is the value of x. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.